Hey, my name is Kaleef Williams, and I know what it's like to hit that point where you're just tired of juggling bills, tired of pretending everything's fine, and honestly, tired of wondering how you're supposed to rebuild when you barely have anything left to work with. But here's what I learned. Being broke doesn't mean you're broken. It's a starting line, a chance to rebuild smarter, not harder. See, most people try to escape being broke by chasing quick fixes, but that only keeps you stuck in survival mode. When I slowed down and learned how to build income from stillness, not stress, that's when everything shifted. I started setting up a system that brought in income daily, even while I was working a full-time job. That system didn't just buy me money, it gave me peace. So if you're in that place where it feels like everything's falling apart, remember this. You don't need more hours in a day. You need a better system. And that's exactly what I help people build every single day. If you're ready to stop surviving and start rebuilding, click the link below. It's time to build smarter, not harder. www.getdailypayments.com